wrestling fans, it is Wrestling Revolution Keaton here at NXT's New Beginnings, introducing first the one, the only heart and soul of NXT Wrestling, the Canary Kid, faces off one of NXT's newest members, wrestles. What a great matchup this will be at NXT Wrestling. Two icons going up against each other.
Are you ready, Mr. Ken?
Ken showing off his muscles before he gets into the match. Ken is such a muscly guy. He could maybe even win shreddy bracket or arm wrestle. And the matchup is underway. Two very skilled wrestlers going at it. It's strength versus athleticism. What will win? The Canary Kid has been offered to Pure Filth. And speaking of the devil, Pure Filth come out. Watching ringside for the Canary Kid. The Canary Kid does not look like he wants to join. He's telling Dee Dee to get out of here. Sees Valentine try to tackle the Canary Kid. Oh my, this is so strange. The Canary Kid already stated earlier that he isn't joining. And the lockup happens. Who will Ken? Oh my, the Canary Kid throws Ken into the ropes, but Ken throws the Canary Kid to the other side of the ring with his power. Canary Kid falls back in shock of Ken's power. The Canary Kid stands up again, ready for a fight. The Canary Kid never backs down from a fight, but he's still shocked after getting thrown about like that. The Canary Kid's been brung into the ropes. Ken forced to break. Canary Kid gets Ken into a waist lock. Can Ken break it? Ken wrestles, just about breaks the waist lock, and he throws the Canary Kid down, forcing him to go into the canvas. This man, Ken, is a huge wrecking ball. A force to be racked with. Not much people can handle the Canary Kid like this. I've never seen the Canary Kid being destroyed this much. Sage Valentine comes in and obstructs my view. This guy is so annoying. 3 attempts for a waistlock, but the Canary Kid out wrestles Ken. And he does the headlock. Sage Valentine still rooting for the Canary Kid. Ken gets up, throws the Canary Kid into the ropes, and a big shoulder barge. It's going to be very hard to take this man down. But the Canary Kid takes down Ken with his skills of wrestling. Headlock by the Canary Kid. Will Ken tap? Doesn't look like Ken is finding a way to get out of this. They both stand up, and Ken attempts to lift up the Canary Kid again. I don't know how the Canary Kid is surviving right now. And Canary Kid once again takes down Ken with headlocks. How amazing is this? The bird sounds with a chance. Head scissors! Ken found a way to counter it, but I think the Canary Kid can still get back up. The Canary Kid uses his pure athleticism. He tried to do a handstander. Ken keeps throwing him back. Canary Kid tracking Ken with his legs, and he does the headlock again. Ken tried to do shoulder boards there. He couldn't take down the Canary Kid. Canary Kid tried to do shoulder boards. Now the Ken tried. He just throws the Canary Kid straight down. Ken is definitely having the strength in this match. This could mean that Ken will win the Canary Kid, but can the Canary Kid come back with his athleticism and speed? Ken outsmarts the Canary Kid there. Big boot to the Canary Kid to the side of the face. Then he knocked his tooth out. Canary Kid building up a head of steam. Canary Kid went for the crossbody there, and Ken catches him. Now he's lifting him like weights. And he throws the Canary Kid over his shoulders like a Highland caber. Ken flexing once again with his muscles. Ken going into the corner. What's he thinking? He tried to do a splash into the corner. The Canary Kid moved out of the way. Big uppercut by the Canary Kid. Instead of DD Crooks. Ooh. He's going for the bird. He's doing his famous trend, the bird. Say it with him. B-I-R-D. Bird. Can the Canary Kid land this? Ken just catches him in midair. And he's lifting him like weights again. Canary Kid elbows him to get out of it. Pure filth trying to distract Ken. The Canary Kid looked like he was about to super kick Ken, but the Canary Kid's too respectful for inside the ring. Drop kick by the Canary Kid has Ken seeing stars. Cover, 1, 2, kick out at 2 by Ken. Clothesline by the Canary Kid. Cover, 1. Oh, kick out at 1 by Ken. Canary Kid throws Ken into the ropes. Canary Kid went for the clothesline. Couldn't land the clothesline, but back elbows Ken. Goes for the cover. 1, 2. Kick out at 2 by Ken. Ken shaking off the bump that he had to take there. Canary Kid tried to go for the clothesline this time, but Ken didn't let it happen this time. Oh wait, Canary Kid kicks Ken on his chest and a big elbow. Will it be it, fans? Cover, 1, 2, kick out at 2 by Ken. What a match we're witnessing at NXT Wrestling. DD Crooks and Sage Valentine are anonymously watching on. Canary Kid tried to super kick Ken. Ken catches him and a big clothesline. Oh, Ken splashes the Canary Kid in the corner. That could be it for the Canary Kid. You could nearly count to 50 after that splash. But wait, the Canary Kid fights back with a kick. I'm sure that knocked the wind out of Canary, but the fighting champion still fights back. Canary Kid looks like he's going for the bird for the second time, and he is. He's going for his famous trend for the second time. Will he land it? And he finally lands the bird. And a massive monkey flip across the ring. Cover 1, 2, kick out at 2. Kick out from the bird. One of the fans has given the Canary Kid the power. And he's given him an idea to do the Canary Cutter. The Canary Kid goes up to the second rope and just about lands the Canary Cutter. Is the Canary Kid gonna go for the pin here? No, he's wanting to do it for a second time. The fans will want him to do it one more time. If the Canary Kid does this a second time, he may land the Canary Cutter and win Ken. Goes up to the second rope. Tried to do the Canary Cutter there. Ken caught him. Picks him up above his shoulders. Looks like he's about to go for the fireman's carry, but Pure Filth interfere and distract Ken. But they paid for it with a double clothesline. But the Canary Kid hits Ken with a super kick. Hi, crazy. With Pure Filth interfering, this could be it. Can this be the formation of a filthy gang? The Canary Kid goes up to the second rope and lands the Canary Cutter. This has got to be it. Cover 1, 2, 3. The Canary Kid has taken the win over Ken Wrestles. With help from Pure Filth. Oh, Pure Filth, being the filthy gang that they are, stomping on Ken. Canary Kid is having none of it, and he tells Dee Dee to stop it. Now Dee Dee pushes the Canary Kid. Dee Dee Crooks is going to punch him, but the Canary Kid tells him, no, you do not punch someone after the match. But wait! The Canary Kid throws it at... Oh! Super kick to Ken! The Canary Kid has just super kicked Ken! This is the formation of the Canary Kid joining Pure Filth! I cannot believe this! Dee Dee and Sage Fontaine celebrating and laughing. This is crazy! The people's favourite heart and soul of NXT wrestling, the least likely to join Pure Filth, has joined this filthy faction. I'm just in shock. I can't believe the Canary Kid would join such a team like this. The Canary Kid isn't the heart and soul of NXT anymore. It's the filthiness of NXT. don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hopefully, I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.